Hey there, welcome. This is our course titled How to Carving. My name is Krrish Garla and I'm going to walk you through this entire course in a very passionate, patient, and a very gentle manner. Okay, so let's start with a very simple question. Do we even need to carve? It's a very simple question, isn't it? No, it's big. Why do we as dental students spend so much of our time, so much of our energies in learning the dental anatomy so that we get to carve? My friends, I promise you that by the end of this course, you'll not just know the answer of this question, we'll also end up carving in a very passionate and a joyful manner. So coming back to our question, why do we need to carve? Carving isn't just a task, it's an art which helps you build your skills in dentistry. So let me give you 5 crucial reasons why you need to learn carving. First one, it helps you in building your hand dexterity, which is very crucial. Next, it improves your focus and your patience. Third, is it helps you in your prosthodontics and your tooth restorations. Fourth, is it helps you in understanding the tooth's anatomy. And lastly, which is most important, it helps you build self-confidence. It gives you the confidence and it helps you believe in your skills to do intricate art. Okay? So these are the 5 crucial reasons here. Now let's talk about the attitude with which we need to approach carving. See, carving is not just a physical activity, it's also a mental activity. You do all these things. So the way we approach it becomes very, very crucial. And the attitude of ours while carving should be that of joy and peace. And if that's not the case, then our frustration and stress will be reflected in our carving. So here are 5 tips for you to ensure that you are in a peaceful and a joyful attitude when you're carving. Number 1, sit in a clean space. Make your space prime your space up for you to do the carving. Things needs to be arranged and this shall clear your mind in a very nice way. Next is to stay close to guidance. Let's say you're in a college, sit near your faculty or your mentor. And now that you've taken this course, your mentor is in your pocket, in your mobile phone. And the third thing here is to play some soft music. Let's say you're carving on a very busy day, put some music behind you, let's say some instrumentals or whatever music you like. This helps you smoothen your mind and the entire process gets smoothened. So the fourth here is to start slow. Progress needs to be attended in a very gentle manner. If you try to do things in a hasty way, then things are going to shatter. Let things take their time. Focus on accuracy, most important. So start slow and you will for sure catch up. And lastly, and most important, avoid unhealthy competitions and comparisons. See, compare for learning, don't compare for competing. It's very crucial you understand that comparison, my friend, is the thief of joy. So when we compare, not for learning, but when we compare for competing, then the entire process will shatter down. So it's very crucial you attend carving with a very peaceful and a joyful attitude. See, now there is one aspect of carving which is very, very important for us to understand. What's that about? I call it feeling the wax. Or to put it more poetically, I also call it as feeling the pulse of the wax. What do I mean by this? See, let's say you've been carving for 1 week or 2 weeks consistently with lots of devotion and dedication. So when you've done this, you for sure will know, you'll literally feel the wax as to how much pressure you need to put, how much gentle should you be. Let's say you're carving the cusp or the root, the furcation or the ridges. You will literally have a sensation, you'll have a sensation as to how much pressure you need to give, ensuring that you won't break the wax. So this is a sensation which will build within you, maybe 1 week after starting up, or maybe it could take 2 weeks. It's different for different people. Just don't be hasty, let it happen naturally. But this is something you should sense after some practice in carving. Well, also let me give you a quick overview of the structure of our course. We'll have an introductory course or the orientation course, which is what we're doing. Here's where we are learning how and why of carving. The next thing which we're doing is the main course, which is the second module. I call it the carving module. So in this module, we will go deep into how to carve 6 different teeth. Number 1, the maxillary incisor, the central incisor, the canine, the maxillary first premolar, the mandibular second premolar, the maxillary first molar, and the mandibular first molar. All of these 6 teeth, you can choose your pace. You can do 1 tooth per day or 2 tooth per day, which will end up giving you a 6-day course or a 3-day course. You could choose your speed and go about, and that's about it. And the third module, which is the conclusion module, is where I'm going to share some strategies where you can use them for, how can I say that? For lubricating your journey to make it more joyful and effective. So these are some strategies which I'll give you. Plus, I'm also going to inspire you with some words which shall have you fired up in your journey toward mastering carving. Thank you.